Well, today I'm going to do a nice unboxing video. There's like something here. Panasonic HC-V201 video camera. Sorry about that. Want to get a little bit more proper lighting in there. Camera itself full HD, 10 megapixels, optical zoom, real nice. Independent zoom wire, optical image stabilizer. There's a battery charger. See. Instruction manual for the camera. Oh yeah. Owner's manual on the CD, plus maybe the drivers for that if needed. There goes the battery charger. Okay. Audio video cables. Battery. That goes with the camera. USB driver. And that's like the whole unboxing video right there. Yeah. It's like settings there. Connections for HDMI. I got an HDMI cable if I need to be on the television. Oh yeah, power buttons, all that. Optical zoom controls. Yeah, they should probably get some decent optical zoom quality now. I'd say expect a video test of this in the future. For sure.